UV Gel Nail Lamp 80W Nail Dryer LED UV Light for Gel Polish 4 Timers Professional Nail Art Accessories Curing Gel Toenails White 1 PK Drying Nail UV or LED Gel in seconds -80 watt of nail dryer with 45 PCS LED beads make nail of or LED gel faster drying.With flexible 4 timer 10s to 30s to 60s to 99s LED+UV and double light source design Liteland all-in-one quick of nail lamp is applicable to curing almost all nail gel polish. Save 80% time for curing nails. Our professional of light for gel nails can shorten your curing time by 80% than other nail lamps. Faster than twice the speed of the other brand gel lamp.Save your time, effort and amount of money to get great salon nail art experience at any time and anywhere. Comfortable and painless curing mode infrared smart sensor can automatically turn on to work when you put the hand into our nail dryer machine. Meanwhile, fourth gear timing function let you control the curing time with each layer. 50,000 hours lifetime durable.Comfortable white light, no hurt eyes, no black hands. Upgraded special appearance design big enough space of nail dryer can curing 2 hands at the same time. 360 degrees without light dead ends. Detachable base designed for curing toenail and makes it clean up easily. An O-end closed design will dissipate heat rapidly. Satisfactory after sale service -24 hours online service. Product content: 1 nail lamp plus 1 manual plus 1 American nail plug. It is great ideal gift for Christmas, Valentine's Day, birthday, and wedding anniversary. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.